When we think about agriculture, you may have pictures of rusty tractors and old tools in mind. However, agriculture is the area where people use many high technologies. Technologies make farming much easier and faster. For example, people use drones to water the plants, or cameras and robots to monitor the crops. These technologies save a lot of time and work for the farmers so that they can produce more and better food for everyone. In farming, seeding is one of the most important work. Farmers used to stand on the field and plant every single seedling by hand for hours under the sun. But it became a thing in the past thanks to the seeding machine. This machine is called the drum seeder. People use it to plant rice. This drum seeder has seed containers that look like drums, a handle, and two wheels. On the container, there is a big hole and many small holes. Farmers put seeds into the big hole. On the paddy field, farmers pull the machine to make the container spin. When the container spins, seeds drop off to the ground through the small holes. In this episode, we're going to design a seeding machine. You will need a handful of seeds, one ruler, tape, markers or straws to make axles, 2 pieces of cardboard to make wheels, 4 sheets of A4 paper, scissors, and 2 paper cups. First, draw your design on paper so that you know what it will look like and how many materials you will need. Your design should have a drawing and material names. Step 1. Make wheels using CDs or cardboard. Make the wheels with any round objects that you have. They can be CDs or cardboards. Step 2. Make seed containers. In my design, I used 2 paper cups to hold seeds. Step 3. Make axles using straws or pencils. Poke 2 holes on each cup's bottoms. Connect the 2 paper cups with 2 pencils or 2 straws. Step 4. Poke holes on seed containers. Step 5. Make a paddy field. Plants need enough space to grow, so a suitable distance between 2 plants is very important. Your seeding machine needs to drop seeds precisely into the marks on the paddy field. Here is how you make a field. Take a sheet of A4 paper. Draw a row of squares so that each square is 10 centimeters away from one another. Mark each square with an X to show where you should drop off seeds. Step 6. Put seeds into the seeding machine. Step 7. Put it to the test. Can you make the machine drop off seeds precisely into the marks? You can try different designs. This is another design without any axle. Requirements for a good seeding machine. Seeds can be refilled easily. Seeds are dropped off precisely into squares. To drop seeds precisely into squares, you need to think carefully about 1. How big are your wheels? 2. Where do you put the holes? 3. Do your seeds fit through the holes? People have many different designs that meet the requirements. Check out these interesting ideas. Can you come up with a different design other than what has been shown in this video? Don't forget to videotape your seating machine and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.